Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we get to find out the winner of this beautiful Seiko Prospex Giugiaro. Or if not beautiful, then certainly unique. Now, as you can see, the watch comes with the box and it also includes the papers, so it is a full set. Like I said in my giveaway video, I will be sending this anywhere in the world at my own expense, and the only possible expense you might get are any import duties or taxes. I will try to avoid those by labeling this as a gift because it is my gift to you. Now, anyone who participated in the giveaway video, subscribed to my channel, liked and commented is entering the draw. So today we get to find out who the lucky person is. So let's move away the watch and bring in my daughter's tablet. So excuse all the games that are very childish, as you can see. The reason I'm doing this is because the channel has grown quite a bit, so it's kind of impossible to cut out all those. I mean, it's not impossible, but it is a lot of work. So now we're just gonna, I prepped the video, we're gonna go into the video, we're gonna copy the link, and we're gonna go into the randomizer. It's the same one I was using last time when I was doing this giveaway. So let's enter the video URL. Paste. As you can see, we have this option turned on, filter duplicate posts, so that, I'll just try to zoom in a bit, so that anyone who commented a couple of times gets excluded. I mean, they only count once. Now we'll click Get YouTube Comments, and it's loading up the comments. And this is the biggest giveaway so far. Okay, so we have 1,762 comments. Like I said, this one counts only one comment per entry. I mean, one entry per comment. So if someone responded to another comment, all that, this simply ignores it. And now we're gonna go to start, and there's the raffle, and the lucky winner is Mike Grange, as you can see. And we can even see his comment. So good luck to all, really enjoy your content, blah blah blah. Anyways, Mike, congratulations, you just won yourself a very nice Seiko Prospex, the Giugiaro, which is a limited edition and certainly a unique watch. Now, I will, please respond to my email. I'll leave an email in the description with your real name and address so I can send the watch as soon as possible. I also do have a two-step verification, so once you contact me, I will give you a little assignment to do so I can confirm that it really is you, because I did a couple of giveaways ago, someone did try to scam me, so I do have to implement this two-step verification. Anyways, that's it. So Mike, you're gonna get an extra present from the Santa this Christmas. So Merry Christmas to you and your family, and I hope you're gonna like the watch. Well, that's it guys. The rest of you, please stay tuned to the channel because I will be doing these giveaways again, so you know, better luck next time. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.